Installing the Spectrum TV app on your Roku device is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. We'll walk through each step to get you streaming your favorite content quickly. First, ensure your Roku device is properly activated and connected to the internet. If you haven't already, create a Roku account at roku.com and follow the on-screen setup instructions to connect your device to your home network. Once your Roku is set up, navigate to the Roku Channel Store. You can find this on your Roku home screen. The Channel Store is where you'll discover and install new streaming apps and channels. In the Channel Store, use the search function to look for Spectrum TV. You can either browse through the categories or use the search feature to quickly find the app. Type Spectrum TV in the search box. Once you find the Spectrum TV app in the search results, select it and choose the Install or Add Channel option. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This process usually takes just a few moments. After installation is complete, open the Spectrum TV app from your Roku home screen. If you have Spectrum Internet service, the app may automatically detect your connection and sign you in. Otherwise, you'll need to enter your Spectrum TV account credentials manually. Finally, you'll need to accept the licensing terms and conditions to start using the Spectrum TV app. Once you agree to the terms, you'll have full access to your Spectrum TV content on your Roku device. The Spectrum TV app on Roku provides comprehensive entertainment features designed to enhance your viewing experience. Let's explore what this app offers and how to get the most out of it. The Spectrum TV app is designed primarily for in-home use with your Spectrum Internet connection. Your Roku device should be connected to the same network as your Spectrum modem for optimal performance and automatic authentication. Roku is expanding its content offerings with free ad-supported streaming TV channels, known as FAST channels. These provide access to additional free content without requiring a subscription, giving you more entertainment options at no extra cost. While many users find the Spectrum TV app easy to use with good video quality, some may experience issues like lagging or navigation problems. Here are the most effective troubleshooting steps to resolve these common issues. The primary troubleshooting solution is to restart both your Roku device and your network equipment. This simple step resolves most connectivity and performance issues by refreshing the connection and clearing temporary glitches. If you need to uninstall the Spectrum TV app from your Roku device, the process is straightforward. Navigate to the Roku home screen, highlight the Spectrum TV app, press the star button on your remote to access options, and select Remove Channel. The Spectrum TV app offers a comprehensive streaming experience with live TV, on-demand content, and free channels. Remember that restarting your devices solves most common issues, and the app works best when connected to your Spectrum home network.